Hi, the second example of ladder friction is a ladder 5 meter long rests on an horizontal ground. A ladder total length is 5 meter. It is resting on an horizontal ground and leans against a smooth wall at an angle of 70 degree. It's a smooth wall, nothing but no friction will be there at the wall surface. So it leans against the smooth wall at an angle of 70 degree with respect to horizontal as shown in the figure. The weight of the ladder is 900 Newton. Weight is how much? 900 Newton. And a man weighing 750 Newton stands on the ladder 1.5 meter from the bottom of the ladder. This is the bottom. From the bottom of the ladder at a distance of 1.5 meter, 750 Newton weighing person is standing on the ladder. Calculate the coefficient of friction between the ladder and the ground. This is the ladder, this is the ground. So, at this contact surface we need to find mu g. What we need to calculate? Mu g. So, before proceeding further, I will write the free body diagram so that we can easily calculate. This is the A point, B point, C point, and here the angle is 70. Then total length is 5 meter. Up to here it is 1.5. Then after that it is 3.5. And it is given that at a distance of 1.5 meter from the bottom, a person weighing 750 Newton is standing. So, weight always acts vertically downwards. So, write it here. It is 750 Newton. Okay. And the weight of the ladder is 900 Newton. Where is the weight is going to act? Where the weight is going to act? At the center of the ladder. Total length is 5 meter. Center means at a distance of 2.5 meter. So, write it here. So, the weight is 900 Newton and the length is 2.5 meter. So, I will write it inside only 2.5 meter. Okay, both side it is 2.5 meter. Okay. Now, this is the given diagram. We need to calculate mu g. How to calculate? First calculate sigma v is equal to 0. Now, before going to that, at the contact surface we are going to get friction as well as normal reaction. Here at the B point, since the wall is smooth, we are going to get only the normal reaction. Call that one as we can call N2, or since it is a wall surface, we call that one as NW, normal reaction at the wall surface. Then at A, we are going to get one horizontal one, one vertical one. Horizontal one will be the frictional force at the ground. Then this will be the normal reaction at the ground. So, FGMG. Now, calculate sigma V is equal to 0. So, horizontal leave it plus Ng, then minus 250, then minus 900, then it is horizontal force. So, leave it, that should be equal to 0. So, you are going to get Ng is equal to 1650 Newton. How much? Ng is equal to 1650 Newton. So, we have the formula F is equal to mu into N. So by using that equation, Fg is equal to mu g into Ng, that is F is equal to mu into N, and we do not know the value of mu g, but Ng we calculated it as 1650. So it will become 1650 mu g. Now if you want the value of mu g, take the moment with respect to the B point. Take the moment with respect to B point. Sigma mb is equal to 0. Now while calculating the moment, we need to keep three things in mind. Moment means force into perpendicular distance. Clockwise is positive, anti-clockwise is negative. If the force is passing through the moment center, then the moment will become 0. So I will start from Fg. Fg, this force, perpendicular distance between this line and B point is this much. How much? The total length is 5 and the horizontal angle is 70. So vertical component, vertical distance is L sin theta, that is 5 into sine of 70. With respect to the B point, this force is acting anti-clockwise, so minus. Then take the Ng. Ng we calculated it as 1650. So 1650 multiplied by vertical distance between this Ng and B point is this much. How much it is? L cos theta. Horizontal component is L cos theta, that is 5 into cos of 70. 5 is the total inclined length. L is known, theta is known. So the horizontal component is 5 cos theta. With respect to the B point, this Ng is rotating. It is rotating clockwise. So positive. Then 750 Newton into perpendicular distance between this 750 and B point is this much. How much it is? This much. So what is the length from ear to ear? 3.5. What is the angle here? Same as 70. So L is known, theta is known, therefore horizontal component is 3.5 into cos of 70. 3.5 into cos of 70. With respect to the B point, it is rotating anti-clockwise, so minus. Then next force is 900 into perpendicular distance between this 900 and the B point is this much. So how much it is? From ear to ear distance is how much? 2.5 and the horizontal angle is 70, same as it. L is known, theta is known, therefore horizontal component is L cos theta, that is 2.5 into cos of 70. Therefore then NW is passing through B point, that should become 0. Therefore this should be equal to 0. In this overall equation, the unknown is Fg. Calculate the value of Fg. If we calculate the value of Fg, or one thing you can do, you can write Fg as 1650 mu g. Okay. In the next equation or here only, we can write instead of the Fg, we can write it as 1650 mu into g from this equation. Substitute and calculate the mu g directly. Mu, that is coefficient of friction, you are going to get it as 0.149. There is no unit, 0.149. That is all for this problem. It looks big, but it is quite simple. Thank you. This is regarding ladder friction problems. Till now we have discussed three types of problems: block, wedge as well as ladder. Thank you.